Okay, let's give it another try. That should be it. Let me just make sure the sound is good. Bro, okay. Now I'm connected to my mic. What the hell? I was connected to something else. What are usually the hours you trade? I trade 14:30, so 2.5 hour, 1.5 hour, something like that. But then I usually trade PM session, but yeah. That's behind the scenes. Okay, the sound should be better now. 14:30, so 2.5 hour, 1.5 hour, something like that. Then shouldn't be like it was. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now I'll leave it. Okay. Quite some people don't. So the latest, it should be lower now. Like, it should be better, but let me know if I need to lower the music as well. Does music help you focus? Little, yeah. Usually I just have it on the low. I can even lower it more. Just something in the background. Okay. I don't hear any music. What's up, Sleep Cheap, by the way? Yeah. I'm still shit at this, man. I'm really bad at monitoring streams and stuff. Now? You bias for today. Okay, shall we start? Let me know if there's anything with the music or anything, and we can fix it. And let me lower this so I don't scream. Bias. Well, quarter report clearly was bullish on the short term, but we are still in this range. Bro, where are we? 24,800. Okay, we're down here. We're in the middle of everything. So you could say bearish since we shifted lower, but we're still in a range, in a big range. Something I have started to use is IVB. $30 minutes to get clear direction. I backtested it this week actually. Did some trading with it. And yeah. By the way, do you want me to turn off the music? But yeah, I did some backtesting with IVB and good results. Hello, Jim Lesperance. My bad if I pronounce that wrong. Hello, Jim. Now music is fine for me now. Keep it. Okay. Let me know. Hello, Jim. Yo, what is... Bro, it's loud, man. Why is it so loud? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is my mic too loud? 1, 2, 1, 2. Now it should be loud. Okay. All right. Okay. Was IVB just high and low, or was it VP for 1? Yeah, IVB first 30 minutes. That's the thing I use. What I have backtested on is fucking good. I'm gonna be honest, it's really good. It's like you stay out of the market from the beginning, so you don't get chopped out. Wait till it sets in, shows you a clear direction. Try to take. I'm gonna show you guys if we get the setup. If we don't get a setup, I can still show you after the stream or the session or during. Music is good. Does Fabio have a video on his channel specifically going over IVB? Yeah, I think it's his most recent one, like the secret something video. His I don't know the title of it. That's correct. What other concept besides AMT helps you? Concepts? I'm purely AMT focused, so besides from that, nothing, to be honest. Maybe experience, like the time you spend in the market, and patient, and I don't get emotional when I trade. I guess that's usually why my equity curve is slow but going up, at least. What's up, Dark? What's up, Mr. Dark? It's okay. How long did it take for you to learn the Fabio style? After the boot camp, sat with it quite. I've been streaming actually about it. Traded it, learned in front of everybody. I'm still learning, but yeah, I'm trading in front of, like, I've been trading it. So, and to reach the point where I'm now, I'm technically now a super slow if you even can say that. I can pass accounts, I can get the payouts, but it's super slow, okay? What's up, Thomas? How are you? I'm good, bro. How are you? Happy to be back. Felt like I had needed a vacation, to be honest. All right. You said that COT is bullish for short term. Does it even help for day trading because the data you get is 1 week delayed? Yeah, so we get the COT report at Fridays, right? So when you come into the weekend, I don't know. No, you were not in the. So basically, when we were here on this day, on Monday, I talked to because I traded with the Discord, and I told them, okay, let's analyze this COT. COT was short-term bullish and long-term bearish. But if you know short-term what the market participants want to do, you can align yourself really good with it at the beginning of the week at least. So yeah, it is useful. So it does help for day trading. Yeah. Or bearish. Okay. It's like the data from Tuesday and it published on Friday now. Yeah, exactly. It's published on Friday. Slow path is the fast path. That's true. Hi, bro. I'm also well. What's up, Matthias? Matt. Oh, let me see, bro. Buckhouse. Holy shit, that's a cool last name, bro. Buckhouse. Welcome back. But yeah, so in my trading process, that's where I'm at. So slowly but surely. Not like other people that make 5,000 in a day, okay? That's not me, unfortunately, guys. Maybe one day, but yeah, not now. But yeah, I'm happy where I'm at right now. Actually, really happy. Ah, no, we got delays again with Rhythmic. Hi, bro. Perfect pronunciation. Yeah. But I learned some. You're from Germany, clearly, I think. Slowly and. Nah, no, bro. That's. Bro, I think if everybody takes it slow, sure, you like. And you follow your stuff, you won't be red. That's like a guarantee. But I know what everyone is dealing with. I have also dealt with that. That's you get bored, you want results fast. You do 4 days in a week, perfect, you know? Slow, you accept it, like I'm gonna do it slow. But on the 5th day, you're like, okay, like, come on, let's get funded, let's do this. And then you risk, take that account and throw it in the bin, because that's where they usually go when that happens, when that mindset comes. Why not? Why not? Why don't you trade with Mole and Akaza? That was the plan. We are. I think we will do it. We will do it. The thing it was on my end, to be honest, because I got so many DMs about live trading, and I was like, okay, let me do it. Let me help the people if they want, or if not help, let me live trade. Maybe it helps people, I don't know. And yeah, so we paused that basically. But me and more Akaza, bro, we talk. We don't have to trade together. We can discuss stuff, we can talk about stuff, share ideas. And I don't want to force them to come trade with me because some people wants the stream or something. Good morning, Musan. I said, why not make 5K per day? If I could, bro, I would, man. 5k a day on a 50k account, bro. That's if you have 2,000 only in risk, that's 250% in one day, bro. At that point, let me join the Trader World Cup Futures tournament. I'm glad you're back. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I'm happy to be back also. I miss this. Not everyone is here. We're missing quite some people. But I see some new faces, which is also good. But we see Dark, one of the OGs. We got Musan. We got Gurkai. Thomas. Mateus. Sleep Sheep. Hopefully the rest also join. I'd like to talk to them also. Okay. Shall we look at the trading? Pet Zip Me. I don't. Sorry if I don't remember you, but you have never been here before, right? I haven't. I don't remember Pet Zip, but if you stay here long enough, you will be one of the OGs. Yeah. Okay, I see that we have a really boring day, maybe. Let me show you guys the trade I took when I was trading with the server. No, it's not this one. Well, I have a trade recap about it actually. Screw it. You can see it on YouTube. You remember? Yeah, I remember you, Gurkan. Gurkan, yeah. For short today will be a short day. Let's see. We got IVB setting in 22 minutes. Yeah, I had exams. Okay. Pet Zip. Bo. Yo, why do we have delay in the rhythmic? Oh wait, yeah, by the way, I had crazy problems with rhythmic most recently. Like I had 5 to 10 minutes delay. So if I enter a trade, say here, I would be entered maybe up here, maybe down here, and I can't kill the trade. Do you trade live on your premium? We don't have it anymore, bro. I gave up on that. I'm gonna make it simple. I don't want to bother with that. Let's do the trading here. So I don't have any live premium stuff. But yeah, I did trade there. I tried to join the Discord in your description, but the invite. What? Invite invalid. Amazing. Let me update it 1 second. Expire, never roll user. Okay, try now. Now it should work. Also should update it on my Instagram. Yo, I'm kind of like an old boomer, if you would call it that. I don't use social media and all that type of stuff. So links and all this, like, yeah, Not my strongest side. So the first half hour of New York session is without entry for you. Correct. If I want to get funded and get payouts, yeah. My old me, spam like taking trades in every direction, you would have, I would have taken like 5 trades by now. Do you have a Lucy discount coupon? No, I don't. I can fix it. I just have to apply for stuff, and but there should be some other people with coupons. I think you can look at YouTube or something. For me, the same. Nice. Yeah, let me remove this one. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. You guys can hear the music, right? Show your Lucid account balance. Sure. I am on this account right now. It's a fresh new account. Okay, wait. Let me do this. Okay. Hopefully everyone can see. I don't trade my funded on this account, by the way, so you know. So it's a fresh 50K account. Yeah. And that's a demo. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, demo. Look at the results. I started with 50K, tried the IVB, and I'm up now 9,780. And this is from trying, what was it? How many days was that? Basically, it's really good, okay? Can I remove this now? Ah. Okay. For me, this ain't sure. I have one, but I want to use yours if you have. Yeah. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. Chill music. Alright, nice. Try SOPF for 50%. Ah, yeah, there you have. Hi, brother. How do you suggest us to start with 5-year strategy and Deepcharts bootcamp? They offer the bootcamp now, so you can go back, and if you buy it, start with the bootcamp. That's my genuine, not financial advice, but tip. Start with the bootcamp and look at it, and don't hesitate. Jump into the market even if you're unsure. Get used to it and get a feeling for it. Trust me, it went like this for me, and now it's going like this. That's the best I can actually give you. Nice, go. Bro, explain how you exactly play IVB model. Okay. Okay, hopefully that's it. So, IVB model, say that it sets like this. Now we are in a range, so it's little unclear how we want to play it out. If I want to go buy, if I want to go sell. I see that the bias is bearish from the shift lower, but as you know, we are in a range. So, wait. I gotta remove that. So IVB sets in. breaks out, it should plot up here saying bearish bias, something like that. What I do then is look at this. I'm gonna trade structure, which is what I learned from Fabio. And this is not financial advice, but my tip is this, is trade structure and you're gonna win and be aligned really good, okay? Like you're not gonna lose as much if you trade structure. So now how can we see the structure? Pretty simple. You can go all the way down here, back here actually. So price, this is the origin point. And we broke this high, okay? That made this lower low. Broke above. In order for me to become bearish, we have to come down here, okay? We have to break this origin point. And if IVB sets in, we have done it. And then we can scale in. So I have two approaches. I have the safe one and I have the long-term one and the aggressive one. So say the price breaks down, IVB sets in. What I do is take the profile, plot it all the way. Now it won't look like that now, but where is it? Plot it. We have the profile and it's gonna show something like this. Okay? Because we're gonna build some volume down here. Usually what happens. So what do I want to do? Well, I want to take short here. That's it. And then you pair it with order flow and all other type of stuff. But structure, profile, IVB, pretty much set for where you want to. Like it's really, you have structure in your favor, you have IVB in your favor. And then you also take trades from, because it usually creates a B-shaped profile down here, okay? So that means volume is at the end, bottom. And that means, well, bears are pushing more. So I want to take a trade up here in value area high, discount. And then you can also watch the delta levels on the side to get the most specific level where you want to take the short from. There's my model, guys. I could actually make a PDF about it. And share it if you want. When I have time, of course. Do you play long if your bias is short? If structure gets broken. That's the important thing. And that's why I love IVB. Because look at this dark. Now, if IVB sets in. Say it sets in like this. If we break above, IVB activates long. Okay. You have also broken this structure. So, do you see how I align it? So yes, if now we're on a range of in the bigger time frame on the volume profiles, daily volume profiles. But yeah, now I would play the long. But if we are clearly bearish and we shift it lower, something like I don't know, say bullish instead. Here's a better example. If we are clearly momentum going up, I'm gonna align myself more to the bias of them. But now we are in a range. That's why I would play both sides. And we are at value area low on the range, the big one. The name is SMC. If someone want to look on internet for Shoch and Boss, what's that? Isn't that ICT? Break of structure? Change. Okay, I don't know. Thanks, bro. No worries. Soch, bro, I don't know what that is. Sorry, bro, I don't know what that is. change of character. Okay. Ugh. You mean short from value area high in a B-shaped profile with bearish context? And you draw your volume profile on the 30-minute IVB candle, correct? And you use buy-sell data. Yes, but I don't draw it on the 30-minute of the IVB candle, okay? In this case, I would have to do it, but say that IVB is doing something like say the market opens like this, and it does something like this, and then IVB here market opens, and then we get IVB here. I'm gonna plot it based on the range, okay? Not on purely on the IVB. I want the swing, the low, the high, and the low. If IVB is in the middle, yeah, it's just gonna get included. But that's interesting. Yeah, this could be also a model, I guess. Yeah, wait, that makes sense. But no, I have backtested, and that doesn't usually work out from my backtesting, what I've seen. I gotta fix this so it doesn't... Where is it? Every time I plot this, I have to decrease the width. It's painful. Hopefully we break IVB low, because look at this B shape, and where I want to take a trade from, up here. And look where the most significant sell level is. The sniper. Here's your sniper level. So when price comes up here, what do I want to look for? One thing. Trapped buyers. That's my aggressive entry. My safe entry is sellers confirming. Entries got it, makes sense. Okay, nice. This is a good practice to do if you feel like you don't have to trade in the beginning, guys. It's really usually flicks you out, goes up left. It's creating the daily range for the day or the plan. Wait 30 minutes, let the IVB set in, show you clear direction. Awesome. When I have that direction, I'm looking for levels to enter from. And I'm not gonna say that every time, like obviously price won't come up here every time. Usually does. And sometimes it just explodes. And then of course you can play that play also. You can try to jump in on the momentum if you see that the momentum is crazy. Like, yeah. Would you also short if it breaks IVB low and retest it? Tried it, lost. Not the like. I believe Andrea shows that model. He did it on YouTube, but I have tried it, Gurkhan, and I'm gonna be honest, bro. Shorting on the retest, I don't know. I don't like it. It's like you short where they won't really defend, because this is, from what I've seen, it comes up here. That's all I can say. This one works, and this one makes sense why it works. It's value area high. Shorting here, nah, not my type of trade. Okay, we can remove this part away. Let me just go down here. For some reason, my profile has Tupac. Look at this. But remember this, we are in a range. This is what I mean, you have to play every side. We are in a range, right? This is value low on the bigger range that we plotted. If IVB sets in, comes down and touch this virgin pock, well, I'd really like this one to break then, to go long instead. What's up, Ping? How you been, bro? How you deal with news? Do you keep an eye on them? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good point. I didn't even check it off. Wait. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We had unemployment claims. Yeah, I keep an eye on the news. Usually, don't recommend trading before it. But yeah. Ay, 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 Mr. Peng is back. We got some more. Wait, who is missing? Martin is trading, Akaza is trading. They're focused. Rio, Ranker, Karim also trading. How? Which source? I use Forex Factory, but you can use something else. The guys know a better site. My site doesn't show everything every time, apparently, because it missed some news before when we traded, and they, yeah. Or to go short when it goes to value area high, because there is, like you said, poke down, no? Like poke. Yeah, of course, and it depends. But here, okay, I'm gonna show you the game plan. Really good now. Okay, IVB sets in. Okay, if it comes down here, touches poke, the IVB might be a fake out because this is a virgin poke. If it touches here and comes up, what I would like to see is it maybe building some, yeah, I don't know, some consolidation. We accumulate here, but it's gonna mess up a little our idea, because if we push here up to value area high and we want to take a short, there's a bigger chance we lose today just because of it. But like you said, if say that the puck wasn't here, okay, like you can still play it this way. Even if IVB sets in, you want to take a short up here, okay, yeah, you, like you said, puck is like a magnet, you target it. But usually the thing is, when we bounce out of puck like this and you see that buyers are winning, what Fabio says is this: we higher probability that we go up and take out this. What's your opinion on Motive Wave since you use Deepcharts? I don't use it. I don't use Motive Wave. Motive Wave. Okay, IVB is set in. So what I do is this. This is the chill mode of this model. Plot the VP as extended. And if you go lower, you're gonna see the value. This value area high is gonna go lower around here. Usually it builds because it builds lower. Then I want to take a short. But we have to see how it reacts here, of course, and how it reacts in the entry zone. If you see sellers not winning here, no point taking a short. We are short, but I took one long for 30 point the first failed auction before the push down. Ah, you took this? By the way, Peng, I'm done with scalping like crazy. Nah, I'm going now for more better setups. I think Atlas is by far better than Motivate. I don't know, I haven't used Motivate. I have used little Atlas, but yeah, it's good. Yeah. What one? Did you take this long? Yeah, that one. Why is my computer lagging, man? Saw video on Fortune Range, just noise, man. What the? Fortune Range is good, bro. It's nice. It's nice. Me and More talked about it. It's really good, but it's really, yeah, it's like noise. Sometimes it fakes you out quite a lot. I see. Now you take good RR and a good size. Yeah. Now I trade for it. No more testing. I trade slow and for it. Okay, thanks. Yeah, I sent my intro on Discord. Okay. I'm gonna check it out later. I like to look at your trades after the stream. See how it went for everyone. Slow down. Bias, neutral. Look at this. Consolidation, 30% of sessions. What I like with IVB is that, okay, as long as we are not breaking anything, I can play the range. So you don't have to wait for the breakout. You can still play the range. Like here, for example, we didn't touch POC. Okay, coming up to value area high. This is a significant sell level. Let's see it. Let's look at the reaction. See what happens. I have a fixed. Let me just check something. Oh, okay. Let me change this. So I'm gonna risk 150 per trade. So it's gonna waited by this music. I wish I could play the jazz music, guys. What's up, Emmanuel? Lol, 17-second trade. That's good, bro. I saw you had a good trade with Maul and Akaza from recap. Oh no, that was just purely me. That was not with Akaza more. We haven't traded together because I had to, some people, it was a situation. Nothing big, but people wanted me to live trade, so I didn't want to force them live trade with me. How can I get the Discord? In description on exact, yeah. Okay, IVB high and low. Still in a range. Shorts up here would be lovely. I see, yeah. Something I'm right now focused really much on is timing of entries. I can show you guys some trades that I took whilst we wait. I have to turn on the deep trades, but basically I've noticed this. When we have, say, we come up to this zone, trapped buyers here, closes below, so closes something like this. I take a sell, I cover above, it usually goes up one more time, test it, take me out, come back, and then closes again like this. And then when I take the sell, stop loss above, it goes. So maybe pairing it, of course you want, like, what, how can you time it? You take a chance, that's how you do it. It's nobody know for a guarantee. You can't wait for everything. But yeah. So I'm executing on every chance, basically. Well, I was really, bro. It was nice, I'm gonna be honest. Got some more energy, but holy shit, I'm never doing some I don't want to bother with, yeah, never mind. It was nice, some time off, chill. Yeah, stop on, bro. Nah, but for real, tight stop loss. So what I might be trying to do is, instead of covering myself like this, I'm gonna cover myself a little bit higher, and then if I see buyers getting accepted, then I can kill the trade. There's a high risk it's gonna fly up, so you know. Or I take stop loss, I take a stop, re-enter, take another trade, take a stop. You know, you can do it that way. But I think you lose less money if you do this. And here's my trick to not FOMO. By the way, I'm gonna make a video about it. Not FOMO, yeah, scaling. So I take a small size here, and when I see acceptance of it, I re-enter another stop loss above the high, so I don't, yeah, lose. Screw this, let me just do manually. We shifted lower on daily volume. You're looking for long because of asymmetric bias. Here, bro. Look at this. Look where we are. Value area low. We have rejected 1, 2, 3, technically 4, 5, 6. This is a zone we reject, okay? And we have virgin pock here. So depending on what IVB does and what they are doing, I'm gonna align myself to that. But yeah, I'm looking for short to pock if I get it, but I look for longs if we break above IVB high. If buys break, do change to long. Yeah. Make entry few ticks below. Often it doesn't feel. Yeah, I'm gonna play around. Like, sure, give me, like, that's true. You can do all sort of stuff. I'm gonna see what fits me. Of course, some people want. I'm a fan of small stop loss and moving it while the trade is going. Yeah. See, some people like small stops. Some like wider. Some doesn't like stop losses. Like short, shoot for the stars with the entry on value area high and stop above sell aggression. If it doesn't work, you can still re-enter. Yeah, exactly. We are also below value area low of weekly VP. Could be another conference for long. Yeah, that's the thing. It's nothing super clear. Let's see what happens. We have done nothing for now. And IVB says we are consolidating. So what I'm gonna do then is take ranging place. And something Fabio does here is he goes down to, when you see when you have a ranging day, what he does is go down to the range chart, plot 40 contract in size, and he plays it like that. And he also use deep effort. Trying to sit straight, like. Didn't trade for 1 month. Absolutely no time right now. I want to cry. Fine, bro. You don't have to trade. Take some vacation. I have heard that a lot of people. You get burned out by trading. Let's be honest. You get burned out by trading. Take some vacation. Really, step away from the chart. You don't have to become rich this month. Slow. Like Dark said, slow and steady is the best, or fastest, something like that. You know, have you seen, guys, the turtle competing against the rabbit? Or I think it was something like that. It's true. Slow and steady and consistent. If you go for the quick, like you go trying to finish it fast, yeah, don't expect to not get like... No, school takes way too much. Ah, okay. Same, I'm gonna be honest, a lot. I have my master thesis still writing. At least you didn't lose money. Yeah, that's true. 4 essays to go. Oof. Bro, call ChatGPT, bro. Let him solve it for you. What is your value? 60 on 40 range. 40. I learned a lot during these past 3 weeks when price has been nothing but consolidated. Yeah, a lot of people have been burned out this week because of the price action. Look at the profiles, guys. Look to the left. This is a range. Up and down, slowly. And if you have been struggling, from what I've heard, Fabio has also lost. But he ended the week 70k up, but he has lost compared to what he usually does. And you see, even our mentor is having issues. Or not issues, yeah. I didn't lose anything, so I snagged some crypto. Okay. What you study? Computer and system science in masters in I'm pursuing a master degree in computer and system science. So machine learning, data analytics, data engineering. You know, the boring stuff. We have the smallest move in both ES and NQ since the year open is over 60 years. This is not an easy market. He lost his ups. Yeah, but Gurka, the way a guy told me that was like, yeah, he didn't have a good week. I'm like, how much is he down? No, he's up 70k. What the fuck? I see. I see. Same, bro. Same. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I'm actually creating an algorithmic model right now for my thesis using POC. And it's gonna get biased by just looking at POC. If it goes up compared to previous days POC, like if it shifts higher, the close on that POC, then I'm bullish. So next day, the model is gonna take buy from value area low, POC, and value area high. And I'm gonna do it for 15 years of data, just to see how it aligns. And every day I'm gonna take a snapshot of it's called snapshot, of the session to see where the POC shifted and to look at the closing price. So if we close above, just to see how significant POC is in determining bias. Yeah. Past few weeks feels kind of weird. Some say they did a 2016 algo chain. That's why PA is not like the same. Not now in market and open. It's always slow pace before a move. Well, look at this. 45 minutes and we're still here. No trades though. So do you guys prefer the stream with music? If this is fine, so I can have it on. Moving on. Let me know if you don't like it. Thought I create a better environment for chilling, trading. The market is not moving because money has shifted into metals after last year crazy tech run. Big smart money at this. That's where we are consolidating. Okay. I use Atas, and when I put 60 million volume there, it's not the same as you, and I can see volume. Okay, that last part, bro. Zretna vazba prekladać. Yeah, I guess. Let me see. Bro, here is my big... I have 60. That's it. I don't know why it's not showing the same for you. I prefer with the music. It's not inverse. Okay, it's nice. The music at yapping about sliding up. Keep it. It's nice. Electro will be better. Oh, New York already has summertime. How did I miss this? Do you have range model? Yeah. You know what? This is the best situation to ask me if you have any question, because the market is not doing anything. Bro, AC/DC have copyright or not? Chill enough. I would love to play some good music, like, but it's copyrighted, everything. We're not going nowhere today. Yeah, looks like it. $680. This is value low on the range, but we have POC right below us. And yeah, I don't know. I'd rather wait for POC hit, because this is gonna act like a magnet, right? So it's like I'm going against the probability. And look, it even shifted lower, so even worse. What I'm saying. So taking a buy here when you have a magnet right behind you. I'm staying out of it. You have to check Atas if you're big. Okay, that's for him. Careful, the guy may be here to wait, who? What's up, Akaza? I think I'm a closer than go. Go, bro. It's a dead market, man. Range model. It's like he read me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So if it comes down here, reacts, come in here. I'm playing the anti-range model. Many here, I think many here knows about it. It's from Mr. Morl, but with a tweak that I fixed. Also because of US-Iran war, should have long oil, now oil price is crazy. Yeah, that situation is also crazy. We have at that position stacking balances. Yeah, good luck, buddy. All right, take care, Emmanuel. Oh, what a fun session. Okay, value area low. Okay, while we wait, look at the reaction for Valero low. I can bet. Okay, I'm not gonna bet, but we surely have some trap sellers there, right? No, nothing. Yeah, this market is dead. Yeah. While we are here, let me talk about tomorrow. Actually, we have Friday. We have meeting after the stream. By the way, I'm gonna keep streaming on YouTube, so you guys know. I'm not gonna go back to something else. We have a meeting tomorrow in the server, and a guy named Georgie created journaling, like a journal stuff, like Tradezella something. And yeah, and also Durant created a COT report analysis. This is, they wanted it to be our project, but it's their project, but they want to collaborate with me. And yeah, let's see what they want to do with it. And so I will have them come up tomorrow and speak about it. But it's good. It's gonna help you with stuff, hopefully for free. I don't have a decision in that if they want to sell something. It is not mine. And by the way, if somebody has a project that they like, or that they have worked on, and they're like, yo, I want to give it to the community, hopefully, like, I would rather take stuff that we can give everything for free, because that everyone can use it. And to be honest, I think I'm gonna create some stuff for free for the community, like COT report this decision. If I don't know how it will be, but a COT report that analyzes the COT report and tells you short term we are bearish or bullish. Like, for example, it's really simple, not gonna lie, we can look at it. Trading stir. Check this. Okay, COT report. Some people ask me, how do you read it? How do you understand it? Okay, you go to COT report, you go to S&P, it's the majority of the volume, okay? It's the leading one. You can start there. You go down here, you look at non-commercials, ignore rest. Look at non-commercial, you look at long and short. Look at long. 207,000 contracts are open long, 372 contracts are open short. So we are long-term short, right? But this is how I got the bias from Monday, from the recent COT report. It's why I took a long at Monday. On Monday, or on Friday technically, but okay, on the start of the weekend, we saw that they had entered 6,655 more long contracts, and they have removed taken out, they added 6,000 contracts long, and they canceled or took out 15,000 short contracts. So this plus this, but you have to count it as positive. But you see how it's bullish and why short term was bullish. And then you can also analyze this. You can see, like, on the time frame how they are pushing, what direction. Yeah. And then you can go to Nasdaq. Same here. But we have divergences, don't remember that. But like I said, S&P is the leading market. It's the biggest volume, okay? So you look at that. That's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know? So in this case, they added 4,000 contracts. They removed 3,000 long contracts. But still we went up. So I guess that's good proof that S&P is the... But if everyone is aligned, then you have super clear where they are pushing. And look at the longs and shorts, they are pretty much even. Okay, that's it. What you gonna put in the PDF that you mentioned? What do you guys want? Depends, like, what do you guys want? I can make a YouTube video instead if you want. I'm gonna do some more YouTube videos. But I can make a PDF also if you want to read it. Like, let me do a video and then add a PDF for everyone to download. So I don't know. So after the model that I'm using, or yeah. Deep IVV is not showing bias. Why is that? Do you have any idea? We chop. I don't know. We're just shopping. There's no. Do you mean if it's why is there's no breakout or something? There's no volume. Yeah, they close their short position, you say, and enter long. PDF is nice too. Okay. Everything. Everything. And Pablo would consider it extra bullish for the week. For example, if the open contract for buyers are higher than seller, the change is also increased the long. Just put it one like... Yeah, we learn together, guys. Okay, look at the IVB set to bearish. Look at the foot. Oof, this is really good. Look at this. You see the foot? You see how thick it is, and no results. No results here. What is holding this here? I'm not gonna anticipate stuff just bluntly, but look at the left side, trap sellers. This is absorption, and this shit is gonna shoot up if this fails. But let's see, of course, you have to wait. So this is something Fabio preaches really much about. It's look at the pressure. You can use the foot, CVD, whatever you want, but you saw the pressure and they got no results. Of course, it can still go, but there's a wall here. Let's see if it holds. If you're aggressive, I'm not financial advice, but one could take an entry here long, stop loss below, or even lower. But this is POC. It's gonna chop or maybe react from it. I don't know. Depends. No indicators have not showed data which shows on your chart. Hello, what's up, Zaxiel? We have absorption. There is gamma put. Okay. Look at foot. Pressure. You know what would be really lovely? You see all of these guys fail, lose, we trade above, and we send it. Then I might play the anti-range model, reload up here if we come up and retest. And I know some guys in the server are having their eyes right now on this. Right now. I know exactly what they are thinking. And what they're waiting for. Yeah, we showed, like I said, my target value from Monday from Aura low volume node. Let's see. All I can see right now, look at this. Look at this pressure from the sellers. And then no, what is this? This is not results. Starting, I might start to load longs. If you see clear failed auction, and yeah, as of now the IVB is still, yeah, we're bearish on the IVB. Okay, say that we fall even lower. We have a low volume node here. Most significant buy level was actually up here. There's your low volume node, there's your protection zone. So if IVB, if buyers fail here, like if this level fail, I'm going to look for shorts. Would have been beautiful to take short up here, but that's quite a bit up. A better entry could have been, another zone can be here. And if the value goes lower, so we have value area high somewhere else. Or you take the swing. Still battling, yeah. What is this setup for big trades? 60. Did you take trade? Nope. From footprint, I see no buyers from 6, so they dropped their positions. Swear. I have 75, but for now on MZ, I already have 3 bubbles. Hi, just joined. What's up? Hemant. Oi, bro, I can't pronounce that. Hemant Shao. What's up, Hemant? Peng, what do you think? Look at this. Buy level holding. I might look for a long. Not financial advice. Okay, guys. Not financial advice. Might look for a long. This is IVB high. But I want to see some buy participation from the buyers. Clearly trapped sellers right now. These guys are losing. Let's analyze how it looks, what's happening. These guys are losing. Let's read the pressure. We can actually remove this so it doesn't clutter. Touch on IVB. Let's see. This is aggressive zone to enter. And then you cover yourself below, but I don't see any buyers. Look at the foot, pressure. Results? No results. As of now. Okay, now more pressure. If this fails, oi, 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 they are struggling. Nothing much. Just okay, nice. There are buyers. There are buyers willing now to push. Let's see if they win. Yeah, if it reaches the low one, it confirms. Who knows? If buyers fail this level, look at this level. If they fail here, this is the last line. Because after that, we don't have anything. We have a low volume node all the way down here and protection level, and that's it. Okay, let's remove this. So see. Value area is going lower. This is a much better place to take a short from, but let's see. If you look at a big picture, sellers are more aggressive. Not really much of big buyers. You're willing to auction the price. Yep, that's right. Yep. True. Structure is also bearish. On the really short time frame. Look at this. We break structure. I can remove this so it becomes clear to you guys see what I'm thinking. Look at this. High, low. This is the high that made the new high, low. So if I want to be bullish, we have to break this high. However, I can play both sides, even if I'm bearish. But of course, bearish is more in alignment to the structure. If you want to go the safe route, you wait. You wait for this to break, not financial advice. Well, I gotta say that every time, man. One second. Yeah, that bro just put. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Wait, let me do it now. Let me do it now. Not financial advice. A big fat text somewhere. Not. Fine. Not financial advice. Here, let me just resize it. Oh, okay, this looks like shit. Nah, I am. Remove this, man. Gotta figure something else out. Okay. POC. This level is still holding. How are we sitting here for more than what? Like, what is this? Almost 1.5 hours. Nothing. Even just a little, just the size of your can, but yeah, lol, he really did. So what's your advice on Nasdaq? Not financial advice, bro. No advice, bro. No, I don't know nothing, man. Then put a background of the trading nomad color scheme. Let me figure something out. I'm gonna figure something out. I'm gonna make the stream a little better. Fix the set layout, add something. Maybe trading nomad banner and then also there. And not financial advice, disclaimer. Hi, when do you record in YouTube? I don't understand. Can you rewrite that? I don't... Do you mean when I will put out new videos? Is that it? Look at the pressure. Ooh. This is not so much, but still look at the results. All of these sellers sent to Haparanda. Ay. Are we gonna get some buyers? This is the level they have to break. These trap buyers. I don't know if you see this now, but for the guys that know, do you see this the model? It's my model that I shared with people on Discord. Wanna take buy from this zone? Okay. What do we want to look for? Trap sellers. What do we want to look for? A range. Here's your range. Here's your retest. The entry is here. Stop loss below. All the way down there. And you send it. But you gotta see some confirmation from bias, from bullish, what it's called. Order flow. This could have been an entry. It's an aggressive one. Okay, we got some aggressive buyers. It looks like they're gonna want to accept it higher. Thing is, look where they're gonna react from most likely. Value area high on this swing. Like when you trade on live, every day, Monday to Friday, 9 to 15, not 9. Okay, when time goes back to the normal time, 9:15 until, I don't know, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We're gonna do longer because I'm trading it not like this. So for now it's 14:15. What is it? 8:15 cent. 14:15 Central European time. Okay, that's the time. Yeah, that's good. Show our brand and community. Yeah, sure. How you doing? What's up, Dev? I'm good, man. Oi, look at this. This was a good entry then, after all. I would still wait for the retest. However, this still falls into my model. If price comes down here now, trap sellers, buyers winning somewhere here, I might look for something. But still, I want to be a... That's the thing. I want to see if we even get some shorts up here. I want to see if buyers step in or sellers step in and see what's going to happen. I mean, for long at 59.7. What my bad? 597. Oh, nice, nice. You bought on the trapped trap sellers. Nice. Well done. I'm looking for the retest now. Because from my model, this area, good, really damn good. And we can also deploy deep effort. Where is it? I have to be honest, I'm leaning more towards buying because of the POC reaction, but let's see what happens. This is a little cringe day. You're in the middle of two good stuff. Yeah, but more of a swing setup. Yeah. Okay, here's the retest. Value area low. Let's see if we get something here. This is the area I want to look for. Do we have any buyers stepping in here? Let me put this a 40 contract. We have sellers here. Trap sellers. I'm gonna scale in. I'm gonna wait. Let's see if we can get something better. If this fails, then I get stopped up for a really small position, but I'm gonna scale in. Cover myself. Wait, let me go over to 1 minute, by the way. Maybe I may have been too early now. Let's see if these sellers they fail. And if it fail, then I'm scaling it even more. And yeah, I'm not gonna risk. I'm gonna risk something like this. Behind everything actually. Like that. Closure above would be interesting. We closed above. I don't see no buyers, so there's no point for me to scale in right now. Look at the foot. No results. That's not good. That means absorption. Let's wait. I'm talking like I'm fucking directing some shit. Yeah. Okay, let's wait. Low on original rebalance to poke. Good reaction from sellers from the poke. Let's see. I really don't like that. I don't see any buyers stepping in, but maybe my size is too big. I should have maybe go lower. We got some movement, but yeah. Big absorption from sellers. Let's see. I have quite a good stop loss, so it's gonna give it some breathing room. This is the level that I'm watching. If we accept above it, I think we're gonna... I'm going break even now. Yeah. Okay, I'm break even on this trade. Why? Because I see no participation from buyers. I just see... Yeah. So this is a risk-free trade. What's up, Martin? Mine was good as well. Nice. Look at this week. What a reaction from these sellers stepping in here. However, I would like, let's see if this breaks above. Breaks above. Where's our next defense level? Well, we have this level. We have this. I'm break free either way, so let's see how it goes, where it goes, how far we can come. London is crazy, bro. What's happening with London? Like, is London the new New York? From the looks of it, it's like all the good moves are in London. check the weeks. Rejected twice. I have a good feeling that this might go lower. Twice we rejected. 1, 2, 3 times. They get results, and I get stopped out for break even. Here it comes. Okay, stopped out for break even. And we wait. Slow and steady, huh? Nice trade, bro. Thanks, man. Slow trade. Yeah, it was like 8,000 in 3K. Damn. This is like AA said from Fabio. Sellers hitting a wall a couple of times and price rejects. We have tried buyers. Yeah. I put my stop to break even just for that reason. But look at this. No participation from buyers. Nothing. Maybe on lower contract size. But I have it at 60 because I want it super like deadly laser folk, like the biggest sizes. Not below. 40 is big still, but it takes out a lot of noise. Okay, we retest here again. Can we have some participation from buyers this time? That get confirmed. Or if this breaks and this breaks, yeah, send it. I'm down for either side. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Wait, forgot to take back that. Trap sellers again. Where's the buyers? Try lowering deep trade. Might see some more info than in this slow. Let's look at 40 contracts. Okay, at 40 we had some buyers here now. Here's the battle. I want to see if they get accepted. If they get accepted, highest probability is we come up here. And then I can... But then this is a range still. Here is the battle. No, they failed. I'm gonna show you guys where it will most likely react from, and its value area low on this range. So let's see what if it even happens. Screw it. I'm gonna have it like that. I want to see big fishes, even if 40 is good here, right? I don't want to force trades. This is the thing. I want the best trade. This is a big cluster of sell levels. Oi, oi, oi. Check this. This here. This value area low. I want to see the reaction here. Exactly here. I want to see them step in here and do something. If they fail, I'm going bearish. A range in a range, incredible. Those passive buyers really holding price. Let's see how much longer they hold. Yeah, let's see. Okay, okay, nice, nice. Look at the foot. Look at the foot. Oof. We are at the value area low on this. Not accepted. However, I'm gonna give it some time. Let's not jump in and catch the knife, of course. See us accept back into, because my stop is gonna be below all of this either way if it goes up now. Risking 150 per trade. We know that there is buyers here. They're holding it, so we don't need the box. Okay, I'm gonna start going into the position. Start entering here. Averaging in. I want a retest on this. Let's see. Sellers will probably enter once they hit that. Exactly, they enter. Who's gonna be rewarded? Let's see, let's see. I'm gonna take a gamble. A gamble. A chance. Anticipating that all of this is gonna hold. I'm covered right below everything. I would like to enter with one more contract down here, averaging, and yeah, shoot for the stars. This is the recent low. Shoot for the stars. Okay, maybe not the stars, but up here, definitely. Did you? Royce? Ah, my mistake. I accidentally said gambling. Gambling is financial advice. Alright, alright. Fuck. This is a 1-2 if it goes up. This is the much better entry. I love these trades. You have so small coverage and the possibility is good. Only thing I don't like is how cluttery the chart is. This is like, we can remove this. We can remove this. We can remove IVB. We clearly know where it is. Yeah, that's more like it. This buy level held again. Trap sellers with aggressive buyers that get results. That's my entry. Cover right below everything. Up, just gonna aim to value area high. Simple trade. Yeah. That's a B shape, right? Yeah, this is a B shape. So it says that the pressure is lower, right? But we are at Virgin Pock, and you see this. The only reason I want to take a buy here, bro, all of this, and now also these guys on the bottom, 203 contracts, no results. Like Fabio says, the highest probability is that we go up here. There's a higher chance that we go up here than we're going down here. And I'm trying to like make money off that small move. Maximum KD once you can. No, we're gonna keep it really. We're gonna keep it professional. I enjoy trading this way more than trading like I did before. It will be maybe 1-2 trades per day. 3 doesn't, like, you can't. If we have good opportunities, I'm gonna take them, of course, but I'd rather do this. Try to take these type of trades. We might have to wait till tomorrow though, because this is gonna take some time. Okay. If this fails now, then yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. But let's see. I'm covered right below everything. Could cover myself right here, but I'm gonna give it some room. It's only $20 extra if I lose. The win is 1, 2, 3 almost now. And this is the level. What is the model you got your first payout with? I assume you mean. It is the anti-bias model. Really simple model. But you don't take many trades. I have it in my Discord. You can watch it. You can go into Discord and see. You will find it. It's called anti-bias model. Go to archives in Discord and you will find it. Okay, let's see. Are we getting stopped out, or is this accepting back up? This guy holding it. And we go higher. might have to wait for some while. Are you trading micros or minis? Micros. SMT with ES. Okay. I'm like, please go. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go up. No. Okay, we got stopped out. Look how many times we tried. 1, 2, 3. Nah. Okay, new possibility. We might go for a shorten. Because now we defeated this buy level. And yeah. Watch it squeeze or do something. I don't know. So 1 break even, 1 win, 1 loss. The link for Discord does. How doesn't it work? What? I just updated it. No, it should work. I pressed it, it should work. Maybe I can send it in the chat. Here, let me send it in the chat. Try that. Oi, 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 foot. Here's my retry. Nah, I'm gonna... It's like catching the bottom again. What made this low? Well, this high. Has anybody made money today? Now it works. Okay, nice. Bro, I subscribed to you to tell you you are gonna stop out 100% to warn about you missed it, but that 5-minute timer. What the fuck? No, it's fine, bro. That's because you need to pay for Discord. Even gambling advice is there. Well. Are we going up or down? Looks like down. Or up. Even if you took a short up here, you wait from 15:47 till almost half an hour. You wait. I do. Okay, nice. I took the short in the opening, then I stopped like yours. Okay. I like this. I like this one. It's Virgin POC. This trade that we took. It was 2 trades technically. This was a Virgin POC buy level that got respected 2 times. We clearly had some absorbed sellers here, but not only that. OG setup. Entry here. Stop here. Send it higher. I respect this trade setup if somebody took this. And on the bigger time frame, we are in value area low on the range. So yeah, it's quite some stuff, but it didn't work out. The only thing that would be much better is if his IVB was in our direction and if structure was in the direction. Trap sellers again. Yeah. Going against the move still. We're slowly chopping lower and lower. So it's, yeah, maybe a time to step away from this. Or we wait, see what's gonna happen more. Break even day. I'm done. It's so stupid. Yeah. Bro, it's been like this. That's why many people are burned out. This is okay, not advice again, but I take maybe 1-2 trades a day right now, 3, to not get burned out in this price market, like in this market right now. This shit is chopping, it's not going, it's taking you out, going. Yeah. This is gonna come down more. I booked 4K profitable setups. Okay. That's a good idea. I would like still the long. Yes, same, but look at the structure. I'm gonna be honest, it feels like today in the market, this pinpoint perfect. I don't give a shit. Like, I'm gonna take this 100 out of 100 times. I'm gonna take this setup. Comes down, takes you out, and now trap sellers again, and now might send it, or it comes down, take you out, and then send. Yeah. Yeah, not really from sellers, but they ideally initiate it from sellers, but they push it lower slowly. Yeah, it's going slow but surely, you know. It's like, oh, trap sellers. Okay, let's try it. Bro, we're gonna take you out really slow. No entry trade. This week was amazing. Trading during war is tough. Yeah, I agree. There is also no long. Yeah, exactly. No big participation from buyers. Only this one. That's why I took the setup. Structure tells me, close the charts and go hit the gym. It's resting. Oh, shit. Brother, you know what I want to convey? There are more people knowing order flow these days. Trap sellers and absorb use as a trap and the squeeze in that happened just to you. Yeah. For me, they prepare the rotation back to mean. So back up. Bro, they are clearly, look at this. All of this is not results. This is not results. They got destroyed actually. Came back. What's now? Second try. We are loading. It feels like it's loading, and soon buyers will step in, and you will. Yeah. Let's see. Fuck. Yeah, right. Because we're all low on the curve, even from monthly profile. We have a low volume node right below also. Bro. Trapped sellers again. But look at the value area. It's going lower and lower. And they get trapped here, but we're still going lower. Really slow. Really slow. Let's look at 40. Even confirmed the idea even more that we had. This one. Buyers, paid, entry here. No. I am long now, 100% real time to long. Okay, good luck on that, bro. Let's see. Exactly, just like you said about the turtle and the rabbit. Yeah. Slowly but surely, huh? Oh my days, this is so... Check the gap. According to statistics, we fill it, and if we close above it, we usually squeeze higher. Or we go higher. But yeah, I can't trust anything in this market condition. Trap buyers at the top, sellers at the bottom. Back to POC. They just ever sell it, and this is not a little fish. This is not a little fish behavior. Wait, now the reaction we got. Glad to see you on YouTube again. I learned a lot from Deepcharts here and starting to... Amazing, I like it. Well done, man. Glad it helps. We destroyed all of this. Let's see if they get accepted. I'm not gonna go 2 contracts. I'm going to lower my size if I'm gonna enter on this. Yo, the guy who said, who was it? Somebody said, I'm long now. Who was it? Jignesh, you making money. What do we think? Do we get the really slow but building it? What a boring day. Told ya they rotate down 4.5k. Oh yeah. Let me guess. You took profit at value very high. They reject the last big trade sell. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, let's see this. Want to see this reaction. Oh. Structure is bearish. $24,674. Ah, you mean up here on this level? Yeah. Thank guys, last two they were amazing. Nice, bro. Stopped out 3 times. Oof. Happens, bro. It happens, Sammy. It's fine, bro. Reload. Refocus. I don't like this, but anyway, yeah, okay. So I don't know if I should play. Sell or buy here. Because what I can see is this. Okay, we got this value area high, traps buyers up top. Then we got trap buyers here. Something like this, back to POC. But then I should have entered on. It's a big cluster of what is this? Ah. Wait, this is the retest. Retest, aggressive buyers got rewarded. Ay, ay, ay. Another target hit. I said 100% real time. Okay. Bro, buy here. My 50% target. I'm trailing to. I'm sure it's gonna go. Okay. Holy. I'm gonna see if the POC retrace holds. Small sizes. Trying to jump in on this momentum. Looks like these buyers got accepted, but yeah, let's see. Cover myself right below here. if they get accepted, I'm trying to anticipate the move up. Because if this fails right there, I think I'm done. So small trade, just small trade. Bro coded the market. 1 TP, 1 loss today's session. Nice. I don't think this is gonna hold. It's gonna come back lower. I'm gonna try to find an entry down here if it goes below here now. Buy here, buy. Yeah. Jignesh. Jignesh. Bro, wrong trade, you are. No buys were accepted, you just yet. Yeah. I looked at this. Okay, I'm gonna reevaluate. Holy shit, I love my risk management, I swear. If it wasn't for my risk management, I would have... Yeah. Mental part. It's not the best then. We didn't even touch value area high. And no trapped buyers. Sellers, nothing. 24,540. Huh? Am I fighting the move all day? This is a trap seller level. Absorption level. Right at value area low. I'm gonna give it a stab. Maybe get a quick scalp. I'm gonna cover myself really quickly. Depending if you get a fast reaction. If you don't get a fast reaction, like this, nah, not the best. Whoa. Ah. Didn't have time to put my take profit higher. That's a little unlucky, but I got filled here, I think. Let's check. Hello? Ah, that's a little unlucky. Yeah, I got filled here. Okay, that's fine. Bam, bam. Do you have any girlfriend? Yeah, I have one girlfriend, bro. His girlfriend is the market. Don't enter long. It worked, bro, huh? And I think it's gonna go a little higher, I'm gonna be honest. So yeah, so you know all these losses, I'm break even technically. I'm minus 65 on the day. 3 losses, 1 win, 1 break even. Statistics crazy. Bro, good luck for afternoon session. I'm done. I got to sleep. Yeah, okay. See you, bro, Matthias. Good luck in school. Oh, you go to... Oh, my bad. I read that as you're gonna go to school. Never mind. Good luck, bro. Sorry. We don't do that signal buy and sell here and stuff, bro. We take our payouts and do our own trading market. Nothing. So this was the move I looked for. That's a little unfortunate. Up to the trapped sellers here. What's going on? We think a rebalance of this. Look at this level. What the hell is up with my... I hate that I have to fix this every time. Ugh. Damn, waited whole day for this move just to get taken out on a profit too early and then miss it. Okay, I'm still happy. I'm not... Yeah. I just take it. Nice. Well done. I'm happy it worked out, but yeah. You gotta start doing what Martin said. He doesn't place us take profit take profit. He lets it... uses it after. Seriously, take profits and then you give that flicks out and you miss all stuff. Look at the buy pressure. really interesting level. Let's see. Look at the buyers trying this level from the sellers. Oi, oi, oi. Gap. Sniper level. To the tick. I want to see if this is gonna fail. Let me cover myself up here. If these sellers fail now, I'm gonna kill it manually. Oh, wait. I'm gonna kill it. I gotta wait for some stuff. Let me see something. Some confirmation. Maybe I should lower my size, to be honest, but I've been sitting on 40, 60 whole session. Ah, there we have them. I was like, where are the traps buyers, guys? Took the long. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It was a good setup. Okay, I'm gonna try this now. Retest on the trap buyers. Cover myself above. We did touch it, yeah. Trying to fade this move. I'm gonna cover myself above here to give it room if in case it was the touch again. Oh yeah, no stop, no TP. Okay. This is the level they will have to defend, buyers. I'm going break even now in case they hold it. I'm gonna cover myself. Let's see if they squeeze it lower. Yeah, I want to be done today. Let's end the day at least break even and trail it. Nice setup. This is a 1, 2, 2. If it doesn't go up now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm break even on the day. Was a good day. Could have been better. I'm a little butthurt about this one, this trade. I'm gonna be honest. If I had time to put my take profit instead of here, up all the way up to the trapped, where was it? Here, look at the left side. It would have been a damn good win. But yeah, stuff like it happens. What can we do? I like TP because they have flicked at my mental TP level, then reverse on me before I'm What's up, Rio? Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. It was good. I'm back. You took any trades? Yeah, this 2 trades. No, bro, you are in the wrong trade. 100%, like for you. Oh shit. Yeah, Gurkan, yeah, we took this trade. Unfortunately, my take profit was here. I didn't have time to move. It went so fast. But the aim was here, like Martin said. He said this level, and we looked at it. And now I took my second trade. This was a break even. This one is, it was this trade. I wanted to aim here, but I covered myself here. I don't know, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, something like that. Either way, I'm plus negative. What am I? Let's look together. Window capture. P&L. Here you go. I'm gonna show you guys this even if I'm red. I'm not gonna do like other people. And it's not gonna be green all the time, and it's not gonna be red all the time, of course. Okay, on the right there's the account. We made $1.5, huh? This is if you think about it, on a bad day, this is fucking good. Okay. Compression days kills our portfolio. Yeah, definitely. So I'm happy with days like this if I go break even, and if I don't. Fabio says something like, if you lose a little bit on these days, that's really good. So if you make money, that's also really good. But if you yeah, break even, I count that as a win today, actually, with the that's how I look at it, at least. Yeah, we had good trades today. I liked it. If we can go through them. Yeah, you did so. Thanks, bro. Let's go. This was a break-even trade. Break-even trade. This is the best part. We go through them, and then this is my journaling. Okay, damn, I would have to plot everything. Basically, yeah, you can rewatch the video technique. This trade I like the most. It was value area low, significant buy level, delta level. We buy here. Stop loss was here. The aim was up. We didn't get the move. Here is the re-entry. Right here. Okay, wait. We had one re-entry here from POC on the range. Didn't get the move. Stopped out. Here was the, I think the biggest trade of the day, but yeah, could have been the biggest. But I didn't manage to, but it was still a win, I guess. That's it. And then last trade was up here. Yeah, put it like that, something, I don't know. And I'm break even. I told some trade in London, but lose them all. London, yeah, I don't trade that. Martin trades. Seems like it's good time to trade actually. Today, profit or loss? Break even, break even. Bro, we have our game. Hell, nah. Nah. Look today, guys. Look today. I take trade setups. Obviously, I'm gonna play out my ideas, but I'm not gonna gamble like I did for fun before. Okay, time is, bro, we've been here for like 2.5 hours now. If you guys enjoy it, see you tomorrow. You don't have to like, you don't have to do anything. Just come here tomorrow. And yeah. And if you want to be more involved in the community that we have in the Discord, I have a link. You can check my YouTube, join. We have meetings on Fridays and we're gonna do some more stuff for the community. That's it. Thank you all for being here. I'm glad to be back. I enjoyed it. Actually missed it quite a bit. Yeah, okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Pavlovich, you were very nice. Great job. Thank you, Thomas. Well, you were amiable. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't know these difficult words in English. Okay, it's not my first language, but I guess sounds positive. Thank you. And I feel very good too because of you, not and your smile. Can we come? Nice. I feel lonely, Walter. Okay, that is good. That's exactly why we make this environment. I wanted people that trade same thing. We can trade together. Yeah. I appreciate this session. I may have lost, but I learned more. Nice. Happens we losing, but if you learn, it's a win in my books. GG, or should we say yeah, GG. Thank you so much about everything, bro. Take care. See you tomorrow. All right. Nice. I appreciate it.